This video has been created to help guide you through the setup of your external microphone, external webcam, and external speakers for remote learning. The webcam, which should be located directly above your plexiglass partition, runs through the ceiling and down the wall next to your either active panel or wherever it is that your projector projects to. You'll also have an external microphone and external speakers. This will all connect to your Chromebook. Be sure that the station where you are setting up is close to a power supply source in front of the room. The first thing we will do is connect your webcam to your Chromebook. With your Chromebook closed, go ahead and plug in the USB cable to your Chromebook and make sure that it is seated properly. Next, on the back of your external microphone, you're going to connect one end of a USB cable to the microphone, and you're going to connect the other end to another USB port on your Chromebook. Each Chromebook has two USB ports, one on each side. The next step is to plug the speaker mini jack into the audio out on your Chromebook. Next, on the back of the right speaker, you're going to plug the power connector cable into the back of the speaker. Then, the other side of the cable, you're going to need to plug that into your power source underneath or next to your interactive panel or wherever it is your front of the class workstation is. Turn your speakers on, make sure you have that green light in the front, and use the dial to adjust your volume as you test. On the front of your external microphone, you should see a red light at the top. At this point, we're going to open our Chromebook to configure the settings for both the external microphone and the external webcam.